Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adam Nurardiansyah. I am from 12 Science 1. Now, I want to tell you how to editing photo by Lightroom apps. Lego. The first steps, open the Lightroom. Then, pick the photo you want to edit. At the bottom, you can see options such as light, effect, color, and others. You can adjust the light until you get the result you want. Like what I do now. You can slide to right or left. After that, adjust the color so that the photo looks more alive and fresh. Same like the light, you can slide right and slide left. Then you can adjust the effect to increase the quality of the photo. And in the Lightroom, you can use the preset to make photo editing easier, and you can adjust it to make sure match your one. After you select your preset, you can adjust the preset, and you can adjust the light, the colors, and the effect, or what you wanted to adjust to give you more sense of satisfaction in photo editing. I hope you enjoy with my video. Thank you.